In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Word using Run command. This is one of the fastest ways to launch Word on any Windows PC, and it's especially handy when your desktop is busy, you're working across multiple windows, or you simply prefer using the keyboard. First, let's talk about what the Run command is. Run is a small built-in Windows tool that opens programs directly by name. Instead of searching through menus or clicking icons, you type a short command and Windows opens the app for you. It's quick, reliable, and works across most modern versions of Windows. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key together on your keyboard. You'll know you're in the right place when a small window titled Run appears, usually at the bottom left of your screen. Inside it, you'll see an open field with the cursor ready for input. If you're unfamiliar with the Windows key, it's the one with the Windows logo on it, typically located between the Ctrl and Alt keys. Now click into the open field if it isn't already selected, type WinWord, and press Enter on your keyboard. That's the whole magic. The word you're typing is WinWord, all one word, and capitalization doesn't matter. This is the shortcut name Windows recognizes for Microsoft Word. By pressing Enter, you're telling Windows to run Word immediately. In a moment, you should see the Word splash screen, followed by a blank document or the Start screen, depending on your settings. This method is fast because it bypasses the usual steps of navigating through the Start menu or scanning your taskbar. It also works even if you're not on the desktop, like when you're inside another app or working full screen. If you have multiple versions of Word installed, Windows will open your default installation. If Word doesn't launch and you see a message saying, "Windows can't find WinWord," that usually means Word isn't installed or the installation needs repair. It can also happen in restricted environments where access to certain programs is limited. In those cases, verifying your Office installation or checking with your system administrator is the next step. That's all there is to it. Press Windows plus R to open Run, type WinWord, and press Enter. Keep this shortcut in your toolkit for a faster workflow, and use it whenever you want to jump straight into Word without any extra clicks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the speed boost this simple trick provides.